COVID-19 has brought us a lot of challenges around certainly excess capacity, a lot of demand uncertainty, and with that, a lot of questions around what to do in pricing decisions of when to lead, when to lose, when to build new assets and build new greenfield sites. Workforce instability on top of an existing aging workforce, additional health-related concerns and instability on top of that, and last but not least is margin pressure. If we look at the compounding factors on top of that, our view from Noodle.ai is that legacy and traditional software is failing process manufacturing. You see a lot of hype out there in consumer AI, more focused on marketing and pricing and those types of use cases. But our view is that in heavy asset and particularly in metal manufacturing, traditional software is failing, leaving a lot of massive opportunities on the table. At the bottom here, I've got some stats on it's an average 10 million ton producer. And what we're seeing is about $130 million of quality downgrades, $100 million of unplanned downtime events, over maintenance just based on condition-based monitoring. A lot of these rules-based systems out there that we see, they're failing, not entirely, but also leaving a tremendous amount of money on the table. And particularly given these times, every dollar matters. So this is really where we feel strongly that AI plays a very strong role.
We know that, let's say, the workforce in steel plants is aging. What is your experience in different areas maybe of the world? And how did you cope with this situation to bring the workforce on board?
We like to target the folks that have a healthy level of skepticism. We find that once you engage them and you show them that this works, they bring everyone with them. Early on, 4 years back, we deployed this energy prediction application. And at that time, it was just pure data driven. But we sat down with the operators and talked to them about the weather characteristics and the dolo lime usage and the crew and hot starts or cold starts, and just getting that level of engagement when you have a group of data scientists from Silicon Valley. It was great to see that interaction, that dynamic, because it really is a team sport and it takes inputs from all different types. So it's not either or, it's about everyone working together. So it's a fun challenge. That's part of what gets us up in the morning.